How to create a public profile on Snapchat. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. So guys, first of all we will see that what is the difference between a public profile and your normal profile on Snapchat right now. So the difference is that if you see a profile which has a subscribe button, that means that that profile is a public profile. But if you see that there is a add-on button, is here like your normal profile that people can add you, but the people who can only subscribe to a particular profile on Snapchat, that means that that account is a public profile. So I will take you to the official website of Snapchat where you can see that what is a public profile. So they say that a public profile let you be discovered on the application, and to help with this, public profile have access to a unique set of profile features that let you showcase lenses, highlight separate subscriber from your friends and more. So these everything that you can do to create a public profile, there is a method that also show, and I will show you that how you can do that in a very easy way. The next thing that you should keep in mind that your account should be more than 24 hours older, then you can create a public profile. Then you need to have one bi-directional. So guys, there is another one condition to that there should be a profile which also has a friendship with you, like he also added you as a friend and you added that person as a friend as well. So guys, there is another major condition that Snapchatters 18 plus can create a public profile. So if you're not 18-year-old, you cannot create a public profile. If you're 18 and 18 plus, you can create a public profile. So guys, without wasting more time on this, I will take you to the steps that where you can create your public profile. So first of all, you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile picture, you need to scroll down, and before scrolling down you need to tap on your setting icon. Once you tap on your setting icon, you should scroll down to come to the part which says who can. So here is that contact me, who can contact me. You need to select everyone. The option you need to choose is everyone. Use my cameos, selfies, you need to select everyone. The next thing that you need to select everyone is view my story. So who can view my story, you need to select the option everyone. So once you're done with this, you need to go back and you need to scroll down, and here is you can see create public profile. You need to tap on create public profile, and here they will give you a brief introduction, show your name. Any snaps you send to Snap Maps or our story will now show your name. Anyone who views these snaps or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account. The next thing is that build your public profile. Add collection of your snaps from cameras roll, Snap Map or our story to help Snapchatters learn more about you. So this is how you can build up your public profile. So once you're done with the reading and you're okay with everything, then you need to tap on get started. So once you tap on get started, you need to tap on create. So once you tap on create, as you can see, now the account has been created. So I will tap on my public profile account, and here as you can see, now I can edit my profile as well. Here the most important thing is that, and the good thing is that you can add a profile picture by just tapping on the profile picture icon, and you can go to the option and you can choose a picture and you can select a picture. The next thing is that you need to add your bio here, and then you can add your location as well. And last thing is that show subscriber count. If you want the people to see your subscriber count, that how many people have subscribed you, then you can enable this option. So there is another option which say that preview profile. You can tap on this one and you can see how it looks like. As you can see right now, there is a button which says subscribe. So if anybody want to subscribe, you need to just tap on and they will tap on the subscribe button and subscribe you. It's the same thing which goes for the YouTube accounts as well or channels as well. So people subscribe, they're not sending you any friend invitation or friend request. So here what they will do, they will not add you, but they will just subscribe you. So the next option is create your first highlight. So here you can just introduce yourself to the Snapchat community by highlighting your best snaps or your public profile for as long as you like. And this is how it will looks. If you can see here, your profile picture, your snaps will look like here. The picture that you posted is snaps on Snapchat will look like this. So guys, this is all it takes to create your public profile on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.